Hello class, this is the second lesson for March 17, which is tomorrow, but I upload the lesson a little bit sooner for you guys. So we're going to do 3.3. So earlier I did 3.2. On 3.3 is just same way to find the trigonometry value, okay? So they said find the trig value. The first one I want to do is number 8. How do you find cosine 135 degree without calculator? So I leave this here. Earlier I used it because I used for this one. Again, we're going to use a reference angle. So we're going to draw it first because this time they give degree, okay? So we're going to draw 118 degree, 135. And then this part, the one, the gap, okay, that with the this x-axis is my reference angle, which is equal to 118 subtract 35 is equal to 45 degree. So when you look for cosine 135, you're actually looking for cosine 45 at the second quadrant. Well, second quadrant for cosine is negative because cosine on this side is negative. So you put negative side right here. And then, oh, sorry, this is a equal sign. So that's equal to negative, and cosine 45 is equal to square root 2 over 2. And so that's for number 8. Now let's try the one. Let's try secant 5 power 4, which is number 16. We're going to go secant 5 power 4. So this just like how we did earlier in the previous session 3.2. When you give out the radians, okay, we're going to use this way to do it. Radian 5 power 4. So divide this into 4 parts, to 2 and then 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And they want 5 pi, so that means one more portion here, okay? 5. And from here to the nearest, to the closest x-axis, and that's my reference angle. So the reference angle is right here. Don't take this side is not the nearest one, okay? It's not the closest one. You take the closest one. So this is the power 4. So means the secant 5 power 4 same as, now because the secant 5 power 4, I'm going to do right under here, okay? It's equal to 1, so means you're looking for cosine. Okay, and then we get the answer, then we flip them later on. So you're looking for cosine 5 power 4, but that's same as the cosine power 4. And then because you're on the left side, so it's a negative. So put the negative side right there. Okay, and that's 5 power cosine 5 power 4, so it's equal to negative square root 2 over 2. The same as that one. So you can see 45 degrees, same as 5 power 4. So that is for number 16. Now let's try another one, okay? And we're going to get used to it. This time we're going to try how to graph gradients, okay? And here's the problem number. Oh no, I'm sorry. We're going to try 7 power 6. They said that this is number 22. You are given 7 power 6, and they want to find a 6 trigonometry function value for this one. So that means they want to find sine 7 power 6, cosine 7 power 6, and then tangent 7 power 6, and then cosecant, secant, and then cotangent. So first we need to find out 7 power 6 is a what quadrant first. So we do the same way, okay? We're going to divide 6 parts. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we take 7 of them, so this is 7. And the reference angle is the one that from the terminal side to the closer x-axis right here. So it's a pi over 6, okay? So now let's see. So looking for sine 7 pi over 6 is same as looking for sine power 6, okay? Sine 7 power 6 is same as sine power 6, except you are in the negative because you are in bottom. Okay, for sine bottom is a negative, so we put the negative sign here. And then power 6 is right here, so which is sine power 6 is 1/2. So this is negative 1/2. And then cosecant also just negative 2, you just flip the number. Cosine, okay, now cosine 7 power 6 is same as a cosine power 6. Quadrant 3 also negative. And the negative power, cosine power 6 right here, okay, power 6 right here, this one, okay, power 6 not right here, so the square root 3 over negative square root 3 over 2. So we put it right here. And that is just a flip the number, so negative 2, oh, I'm sorry, not enough room. Okay. And then for tangent, okay, tangent 7 power 6 is same as tangent power 6. And quadrant 3 is a positive for tangent because the tangent takes this part as a positive. So third quadrant positive. Tangent power 6 equal to right here, so 1 over square root 3. And this one just flip it, so just square root 3. Okay, so that's how you do this problem. So every time it's in radians, okay, don't convert to degree, just do it like this way and you will get the same answer. Make sure you have this memorized, okay? And the next problem we're going to do is problem number, the last part on this one, is we are going to learn how we do in 3.1, the second half of the 3.1. And I don't know if you guys remember the chart I gave you guys on the solution chart. And I gave you guys last time, I said, here's the solution chart, okay? Okay, if you take quadrant 1, if your solution is at quadrant 1, the theta equal to theta hat. Solution in quadrant 2, your theta equal to pi minus the theta hat, or use 118, okay? But because these sessions about radians, so we have to use this one. This is pi, theta equal to pi plus theta hat. And the last one is theta equal to 2 pi minus theta hat. Okay, your theta hat is right here. So in the smaller one. And this one. So that's all your theta hat. And that's a solution chart. Okay, so when we find a solution, we look at which quadrant we are at. So we know that what the solution looks like. And the problem we have for number 28. They said find all the answer between 0, theta should be between 0 and pi. So theta should be between 0 and 2 pi, okay? And they said that cosine theta equal negative 1/2. They said what is equal to, the answer for that one. Okay, so what we do is we find the theta hat first. So we said cosine theta hat is equal to 1/2. Okay, and then theta hat equal 1/2. Let's look. Okay, theta hat equal 8. That would be what? Power 3. That right? See 1/2 right here. So facing power 3. So theta hat is equal to power 3. And then now that's a theta hat. Because it's a negative, so cosine negative is in 2 places negative. Okay, so you have to give them both places. Okay, so your theta, so your answer should be first is the pi minus theta pi over 3, so this is 2 pi over 3. So maybe this would be 3 over 3 here, okay? And then all equal to pi plus pi over 3. And this is 3 over 3 here, so that becomes 4 pi over 3. So that's how you do the problems, okay? So first you get the theta hat out first, and then now, so that's a step number 1. And step number 2 is to find out what quadrant you are at. So because negative, so in 2 and 3 for cosine, okay? So you can put down quadrant 2 and 3 for cosine negative. And then you can see that's how you answer. Quadrant 2 is a pi minus, quadrant 3 is a pi plus. So that's how you do number 28. And let's try the one, let's try cosecant equal number 30. So we're going to have this, when you have a chance, make sure you put this into your 3x5 index card so you can memorize it. Number 30. We have cosecant theta equal 1. Okay. Cosecant theta equal 1. So first of all, we're going to convert first, because cosecant same as what? Sine theta equal to 1. So sine theta equal to 1, that will be right here, okay? So theta, we don't even have to use the theta hat this one. The reason, when you have a 0, now when you simple, when the symbol here is a 0, 1 or negative 1, you just use this one, okay? 0, 1, 0, 1, you just use that. You don't, only when you see this number, you have to use the reference angle. But if you just a sine theta equal 1 or 0, okay, you just use that. Okay, and then so you can see theta just equal to pi over 2. Again, there's only one answer from 0 to 2 pi. The last part I want to do is the number 32. Number 32 with cotangent theta equal negative 1. Okay. Now this time, cotangent theta equal negative 1, and you have to use a chart because the cotangent 1 is right here. That right, seen it? So cotangent theta equal negative 1, then you have to use a reference angle. So first of all, you put cotangent theta hat equal to 1 first. Take away the minus sign. Then you can see your theta hat is equal to power 4. Now you're going to graph. Okay, so it's a negative, cotangent negative, you are right here. Okay, this is a negative for cotangent, because cotangent and tangent is the same. They take the diagonal, decreasing diagonal negative. So your answer will be these two. Okay, so theta will equal to pi minus power 4. And which is equal to, so this is 4 over 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 pi over 4. So that's the first one. And then you can this one too, okay? Because you're taking 2 and 4. So all your theta is equal to 2 pi minus the power 4. And I think you faster look at this. It's basically 2 times the 4 equals 8. 8 minus the 1 is a 7 pi over 4. So you take 2 times the 4 minus 1, okay? So that's for today's lesson. So be sure to do your homework. And I will talk to you guys later, okay? Bye-bye.